Welcome to our channel Wafa Tech&Tricks. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms available today. Whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur or a business owner looking to set up your online store, Shopify offers a user-friendly and customizable platform to help you get started. This tutorial will walk you through the process of setting up and running your Shopify store from scratch. What is Shopify? Shopify is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to create their own online store. Shopify handles everything from website, hosting and design to payment processing, inventory management, and shipping logistics. With a wide range of templates, apps, and features, Shopify is an excellent choice for beginners who want to start selling online quickly. Step 1. Creating a Shopify account. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is create a Shopify account. 1. Go to Shopify's website, navigate to shopify.com and click the Start Free Trial button. 2. Enter your email address. Input a valid email address, password, and store name. Your store name will be used as the URL for your shop, so pick something unique and memorable. 3. Answer a few questions. Shopify will ask you a few questions to better understand your business. You'll be asked if you're already selling, your revenue, and the industry you're in. 4. Set up your store. Once you answer these questions, you'll be directed to your Shopify admin panel, where you can begin building your store. Step 2. Choose a Shopify theme. After you've signed up, the next step is to choose a theme for your store. Shopify offers both free and paid themes, which determine the layout and design of your online store. 1. Access themes. From your Shopify admin panel, go to the Online Store section in the left-hand menu, and then click on Themes. 2. Browse available themes. Shopify has a variety of themes available in their theme store. Some of the most popular themes are free, but there are also premium themes you can purchase. 3. Preview themes. Preview how each theme looks to get an idea of how it will look for your business. Pay attention to features such as navigation, product page layouts, and overall style. 4. Install your theme. Once you've selected a theme, click on the Add to Theme Library button, and Shopify will install it into your store. You can customize the theme further based on your preferences. Step 3. Customize your Shopify store design. Once you've installed your theme, you'll likely want to customize it to reflect your brand's identity. This includes adjusting the color scheme, fonts, and adding logos or other brand elements. 1. Click Customize. On your theme page, click the Customize button next to your chosen theme. This will bring up the theme editor where you can make changes to your store's design. 2. Edit sections and layouts. The theme editor is organized into different sections that correspond to parts of your store, for example, homepage, footer, product, pages. You can modify each section by clicking on it, adjusting settings, and adding elements like text, images, and videos. 3. Add your logo. Upload your logo by going to the header section in the editor. This will help create a more professional and cohesive look for your store. 4. Adjust colors and fonts. In the theme settings section, you can adjust the color scheme of your store to match your brand's color palette. Similarly, you can change the font family and sizes to align with your brand style. 5. Mobile optimization. Ensure your store is optimized for mobile users, as a significant portion of online shoppers browse on their phones. Shopify themes are responsive by default, but make sure the mobile version looks great by previewing it in the theme editor. Step 4. Add products to your Shopify store. Now that your store is looking the way you want, it's time to start adding products. Shopify makes it easy to manage your inventory, product details, and pricing. 1. Go to Products. In the Shopify admin panel, click on Products in the left sidebar and then select Add Product to enter product information. For each product, you'll need to enter key information such as title, name of the product, description, a detailed description of the product, price, the retail price of the product, SKU stock keeping unit, a unique identifier for the product, inventory, how many units you have in stock, weight, necessary for calculating shipping costs. 3. Upload product images. High-quality product photos are crucial for an online store. Upload clear images that showcase your product from multiple angles. 4. Set product variants. If you sell products in different sizes, colors, or styles, you can add variants under the product details section. 5. Organize products into collections. You can categorize products into collections, for example, men's clothing or sale items to make browsing easier for customers. 6. Set up inventory tracking. If you plan to track inventory, make sure to enable the option for Shopify to monitor stock levels and alert you when they're running low. 7. Save your product. Once you've entered all product details, click Save. You can add multiple products in bulk as needed. Step 5. Set up payment methods. Shopify supports a variety of payment gateways to process transactions. Setting up payment methods is crucial for ensuring that your customers can easily pay for their purchases. 1. Go to Payment Settings. From the Shopify admin, click on Settings at the bottom left and then choose Payments. 2. Choose your payment provider. Shopify supports different payment processors, including Shopify Payments, which is the easiest option, PayPal, Stripe, and others. 3. Set up Shopify Payments. Shopify Payments is the default payment gateway and allows you to accept credit card payments directly. It's easy to set up, and Shopify handles the transaction fees. To activate it, click Activate Shopify Payments and enter your business information. 4. Enable alternative payment methods. You may want to offer alternative payment methods like PayPal, Google Pay, or Apple Pay. Simply enable them in the payment settings. Step 6. Configure shipping settings. To set up shipping, go to the Settings section of your Shopify admin and click on Shipping and Delivery. Shopify allows you to define shipping rates based on weight, location, or price. 1. Set up shipping zones. You can create different shipping zones for domestic and international customers. You'll define regions or countries where you want to ship. 2. Choose shipping methods. Shopify allows you to offer free shipping, flat rate shipping, or calculated rates based on weight or price. Choose what works best for your business. 3. Set up carrier calculated shipping. If you're using a carrier like UPS or FedEx, Shopify can automatically calculate shipping costs based on the weight and destination of your products. 4. Offer local delivery or pickup. If you have a brick-and-mortar store, you can offer local delivery or in-store pickup options for customers in your area. Step 7. Set up taxes. Shopify can automatically calculate taxes based on the customer's location. 2. Configure tax settings. 1. Go to Tax Settings. In the Settings section of your Shopify admin, click Taxes. 2. Set tax regions. Shopify will automatically configure taxes for your country and regions where required. You can also adjust rates manually for specific areas if needed. 3. Tax on shipping. You can choose whether or not to charge taxes on shipping fees in your store. Step 8. Launch your Shopify store. Once you've added products, set up payment and shipping options, and configured taxes, you're ready to launch your store. Before going live, do a final review to make sure everything is in order. 1. Preview your store. Click Preview to view your store before publishing it. Make sure all links, images, and functionality are working properly. 2. Connect your domain. If you have a custom domain, for example, www.yourstore.com, you can connect it through the domain section in those settings. Shopify offers a free myshopify.com subdomain by default, but a custom domain looks more professional. 3. Publish your store. Once everything is set up, click Remove Password in the online store settings to make your store accessible to the public. Step 9. Promote your Shopify store. Once your store is live, it's time to attract customers. Shopify provides several tools and strategies to help you market your products. 1. Social media marketing. Link your store to social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest to drive traffic. Shopify has built-in integrations that allow you to sell directly on these platforms. 2. Email marketing. Shopify offers tools to set up email campaigns to notify customers about sales, new products, or promotions. 3. SEO optimization. Shopify automatically handles basic SEO elements for your store, but you can further optimize your site by using relevant keywords in product titles, descriptions, and meta tags. 4. Run ads. You can also run paid ads through. Thank you for watching my channel, Wafa Tech and Tricks. Like and subscribe.